Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're doing Sword 56 and we're doing the preconsonant nasals and an ant. So first thing we need to do is make our cards, right? So we take our paper, we fold it in half. Make sure your paper is lined up nicely and that your folds are nice and tight. Then we're going to fold it in half the long way one more time. And again, folds are nice and tight. Then we take it and we fold it this way. Line them up nicely. Remember, the neater you work right from the beginning, the easier it'll be for you. And then we fold it in half again. And these little end pieces sometimes are tricky. Make it nice and tight. And I have more than 4, so I need to fold it one more time. All right. Now I have nice and tight. Remember, beat it a little bit. Make it nice and tight. All right. Now that you have that, open your page and you will be able to see all the little fold lines. If I can get my page open. Since I made it nice and tight, I can see my fold lines. And I need you to take your pencil or marker or crayon and trace your fold lines. Pause the video here till you're done. I already traced my fold lines. Here they are. And yes, I used yellow because I can't use it to write because then you can't see. So now I'm going to write down my categories. And I only have 2 categories today, so I'm only going to use 2 of these squares up here. So I'm going to skip the one with the hole. My first category is an, which is A-N, and I'm going to put a hyphen in front because I know that that's my ending of the word. And the other one is ant. And this is not the ant like your auntie, this is the ant ending. So then I'm going to leave these 2 alone because that's my header paper, and these are the only 2 headers I have. So now I'm going to go and write my words. Remember, we're writing over 2 lines, and we're writing them neatly. My first word is then. I have more than he does. My N goes in my N column. Then pant. I love that blue pant you're wearing. And now I have ant, the ant ending, so it goes in this column. Then I have chant. At church, we love to chant. Chant. Again, I have the ant ending. Ran. He ran to the bus. Ran. And it's just an and, so it goes in my and column. Can. Can you see all these beautiful words? Can. And goes in my and column. Slant. Slant. When they make words important, they write them in a slant. We call them italics. Grant. Grant. It has the ant at the end. Grant. Fan. My husband loves to run the fan. Fan. My next word is pan. Yeah, gotta write my P a little crooked so you can see the line. Pan. Plant. Plant. I love to have a plant in my house. And see, the ant goes here. The pan only has an an. It goes here. Van. Van only has an an. It goes right here. Scan. Scan. At the grocery store, they scan your items. Plan. I have a plan to be successful. Plan. See, the and goes right here. Rant. Rant. When he gets upset, he can rant. And the ant goes in this column. Ban. Ban. We can ban different things. Ban. And my last word is tan. I'm working on my tan. We don't have very many words today. Lucky you. You know that you need to go ahead and cut these out and then write them in your notebook. Take a picture of it after you sorted it so I can see it. Actually, today you just have to take a picture once you sorted them. Put them in Class Dojo so I can see your beautiful work. See you tomorrow.